Welcome to Farm Life Fades and Beats.
Gloria, you're always on the run now, running after somebody. You gotta get him somehow. I think you gotta slow down before you start to blow it. I think you're headed for a breakdown, so be careful not to show it. You really don't remember. Was it something that he said? All the voices in your head calling Gloria. Don't you think you're falling? If everybody wants you, why isn't anybody calling? You don't have to listen. Leave 'em hanging on the line. Calling Gloria. I think they got your number. I think they got the alias that you've been living under. But you really don't remember. Was it something that they said? All the voices in your head calling Gloria. Gloria, don't you think you're falling? If everybody wants you, why isn't anybody calling? You don't have to listen. Leave 'em hanging on the line. Calling Gloria. How's it gonna go down? Will you meet him on the main line? Or will you catch him on the rebound? Will you marry for the money? Take a lover in the afternoon. Feel your innocence slipping away. Don't believe it's coming back soon. And you really don't remember. Was it something that he said? All the voices in your head calling Gloria. I think they got your number. I think they got the alias that you've been living under. But you really don't remember. Was it something that they said? All the voices in your head calling Gloria.